Hello mga ka-Tunapers and welcome to our new episode. I'm your host, Sergio, at ngayon, we're hitting the pause button sa ingay ng mundo. Sa dami ng stress at balita na dumarating, paano nga ba tayo makakahanap ng tunay na kapayapaan? Many of us think peace means walang problema. Pero, the Bible tells us na hindi yan totoo. Peace is actually a powerful feeling inside na hindi kayang kunin ng kahit anong gulo sa labas. Join me as we discover 5 amazing verses that will show us the shortcut to peace, ang peace na galing mismo kay Lord. Philippians 4 verses 6 to 7. Huwag kayong mag-alala sa anumang bagay, kundi sa lahat ng bagay ay ihingi ninyo sa Diyos ang inyong kailangan sa pamamagitan ng pananalangin na may pasasalamat. At ang kapayapaan ng Diyos na hindi kayang unawain ng tao ang mag-iingat sa inyong mga puso at isip kay Kristo Jesus. This verse reminds us na ang worry can be replaced with prayer, and in doing so, we invite a peace that is beyond our comprehension. Pangalawa, yamang napawalang sala na tayo sa pamamagitan ng pananampalataya, mayroon na tayong kapayapaan sa Diyos sa pamamagitan ng ating Panginoong Hesukristo. This highlights ang ating reconciliation with God. Through faith, we have peace with God, which is the foundation for all other types of peace. Isaiah 26:3. Ang mga taong may matatag na kalooban ay binibigyan mo ng lubos na kapayapaan dahil nagtitiwala sila sa iyo. This is about focus and trust. Kapag nakafocus tayo kay Lord and we trust in Him, He rewards us with perfect peace, lubos na kapayapaan. Psalm 34 verse 14. Lumayo ka sa kasamaan at gawin mo ang kabutihan. Hanapin mo ang kapayapaan at sundan mo ito. A very action-oriented command. Peace is something we must actively seek, hanapin at sundan, by doing good and turning away from wrong. So, what have we learned? Ang true peace is not something you find outside sa sarili mo. It's a gift from God, received through prayer, anchored in faith, and maintained through trust and right living. As you go about your week, I encourage you to pause, breathe, and remember these verses. Don't let your heart be troubled because the peace of God is here for you. Claim it and live in that tranquility. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. May the Lord bless you with this abundant peace. If this episode helped you, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel para lagi kang updated sa bago naming content. And I want to hear from you. Sa comment section, i-share mo ang thoughts mo or kung anong next topic ang gusto mong i-cover natin. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig and always remember, i-tune up mo ang relasyon mo sa Panginoon.